Meanwhile, parrots and cockroaches pose significant threats to harvesting cocoa and other crops around the Tobago. While these birds are vital to the island's biodiversity, hunting them is not a solution. The Division of Food Security, Natural Resources, the Environment and Sustainable Development believes that devices such as bird wailers or bird squawkers can offer an environmentally friendly alternative. The equipment was on display at the Tobago Agritech Innovation Summit, and reporter Candice Jackson has more details.
Keeping cockroaches and parrots off acres of agricultural land may seem impossible, but Forest Management Officer Freyal Mohammed believes the bird wailer could be a viable solution.
So the bird wailer or bird squawker is a bird deterrent system that emits sound of different birds, like predatory birds or distress calls that would actually cause the bird pests to fly away. So they would be deterred from the agricultural holding.
Earlier this year, they tested the bird wailer system over a 10-day period at Lower Cocoa Estate.
Where we had 5 days of control, the bird wailer was not implemented. And then the second 5 days, the bird wailer was implemented, and we noticed that there was no longer any fresh damage on the cocoa estate.
Mohammed explained that the system was successful in keeping parrots, in particular, away from the crops.
There was no longer any fresh damage. The bird counts went down. So in the first 5 days where it was not implemented, the parrots actually were perched on the trees. But in the second 5 days with the bird wailer, we had no parrots perched. The parrots were seen, they fled from the agricultural holding instead.
Over the past few months, the equipment has been stationed at the Tobago Cocoa Estate in Roxborough, where it has been praised by the estate's owner, Dwayne Dove.
And he has gone public with how efficient it was, how amazing his cocoa production was this year. So it really is something that we hope farmers would be able to invest in the near future.
The equipment is costly, starting at $14,000. However, Mohammed stated that they are working on securing funding for the bird whalers through agriculture incentive programs, which are expected to be rolled out in the near future. Candice Jackson, Tobago Updates, Television News.